In this video we are talking about if Quant is going to the downside or if we see a massive run to the upside. As you can see, we started our bullish move right from this demand zone right here in 2021 to the last all-time high. From the down to the all-time high, it were about 1700%. Then we saw this strong bearish move to the downside, and from the last low we saw a move to the upside again, and then we built these prices right here. From the top to the down we saw a correction about 90%. If we compare Quant to other altcoins, Quant didn't fall that much. And as we can see over here, it's looking more bullish than the other altcoins. As I said, we started our bullish move to the all-time high from this demand zone right here. And as you can see, we found support right in this demand zone and pushed out directly to the upside. So we built our new demand zone right here because we saw this explosive move from this zone to the upside and we made an higher high. Also, this demand zone right here is very strong because we saw this explosive move to the upside, and as I said, we made an higher high right here. As we go deeper into the chart, we can see that this demand zone right here is not broken with a body close. So as long we don't break this low right here with a body close, the probability that Quant is bullish is more likely and the chance that we go to the upside is very high. But what will happen in the near future for Quant? As we can see, we build lower highs all the way right here. So it's very important that we break them to the upside. If we don't see this break to the upside, it's not looking very bullish. And if we break this demand zone, the chance that we go to this demand zone is very high. But the chance that this demand zone right here is strong is very high. So if we break this zone, I think that we find some bullish support right here and move to the upside. But as I'm always saying, it's also very important that Bitcoin is also going to the upside, because just when Bitcoin is going to the upside and not crashing, then the other altcoins are also more likely to go to the upside. But for now, we didn't break this low right here, so we aren't bearish right now. If we don't see a break to the downside, I think the prices here are very good to go to the upside. For me, it's very important that we break this last high right here to the upside, so we shift on a bullish structure on the daily time frame. But if we are breaking this last highs right here, what are the next important resistance areas? The first important resistance area is this high right here, because we saw this bearish move to the downside. And the more important is this supply zone right here, because if we break this supply zone right here, we are on a bullish structure on the weekly time frame again. And that would be a very good sign for Quant. So if anything interesting is happening for Quant in the near future, I will make a video about it. So feel free to subscribe to the channel to don't miss the next updates on Quant. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you a great trading week and see you in the next one.